top-down
Welcome
analysis,
back. I'm
advanced
Pratap here.
strategy builder in this release.
Let us evaluate the performance of
Let us have a
NeoStock's
look.
high liquidity zones. On 18th September, I have posted a video about stocks near to demand and supply zones for all the time frames starting from 6 months until 5 minutes. So let us go to this video and evaluate the performance of 8 stocks are near to the daily demand zone. That means price closed near to the daily demand zone. High liquidity zones. So let's go back. Daily time frame, and for the let me pause the video. This is a daily time frame, and it is having how many high liquidity zones? Especially demand zones. This is about demand zones. Stocks near daily demand zones. This is a normal demand zone. Normal. Yes, S underscore DZ is a high liquidity demand zone. We have one more S underscore DZ. So what is the first one? INDUSTOWER. Second one is VOLTAS. VOLTAS we have already seen in our previous performance evaluation video. There we got a good profit in VOLTAS. INDUSTOWER, what is the trend? Monthly trend is up, weekly trend is up, daily trend is up. So it's good. Trend is supporting us in all the 3 time frames. But it is not a fresh zone. It is already tested once. High liquidity zones supports multiple testing. So we can accept the trade. But only thing is when we are going for, if the stock is already tested, don't take entry at the zone proximal line. That is at zone high. Don't take the entry. Take a deep entry, go to the 75 minutes time frame, fine tune, there you take an entry. Let me show you in the chart. Before that, when is the leg in? 28 August 2023, it is having 3 base candles. 28.8. So this is INDUSTOWERS. Where is 28? Yeah, this is the leg in. We have 3 base candles followed by a leg out. Let us draw the zone. So daily demand zone. Okay. And this is zone high. Don't take entry at this zone high if it is already tested. See, first time it tested zone at the zone high is acceptable. See, it gave an entry. See how much profit it gave. Until here it got the profit. It gave a very good profit. From 180 rupees, around 180 rupees is the entry. It gave return up to 194. 14 rupees profit. Good, great. Okay, now we are going to take second entry second time. So we have to go deep. So go to the 75 minutes time frame. Now fine tune. So I'm fine. Here I am fine tuning the zone. This is 125 minutes and 75 minutes demand zone. Yes. So what should be your entry here? What is the, you can observe here, when I place my mouse on this candle, please observe here. Okay, now I placed. So what is the open? What is the high? 176.85 is the entry. 176.85. Let me take a calculator. 176, 175 or 176, sorry. What is the high? 176.85. Then what should be the target? Again, you need to fine tune your at 75 minutes level. because we are taking entry at 75 minutes. One 75 minutes supply zone, and your target should be 185 rupees. 185. Okay, 8.15. So we need to take absolute value. Where is the minus? 8.15 is the profit for one share. So what is the lot size? And what is the cost of the lot? So let's find. Let's go to margin calculator. Zero the margin span. Yeah. So futures F and O. Oh, this is INDUSTOWER, right? Yeah. So 3,400. What is the margin? Lot size 2 lakh 10,000 rupees is the cost of the lot. How much profit you would have got on one lot? So into 3,400. 27,710 is the profit. When did you get the entry and when did you get the profit? So let's go to daily time frame. So you got entry on Thursday. 21st you got the entry on Thursday. When we published this report, on 18th we have published. On this candle, end of this candle, end of the day, on 18th we published the report, and we got the entry on 21st, that is Thursday, and when we got the profit, next day itself we got the profit, that is Friday, last Friday. How much profit we got? 27,710 and one lot in just 2 trading days. First trading day you got the entry and second trading day you got the profit. I mean it reached the target. Okay, fine. What about our next stock? VOLTAS. This is also tested once. So we should go for a deep entry. It is low on the curve. Okay, that's good. But your HTF trend is sideways. That is monthly is sideways. Weekly is also sideways. But your daily trend is uptrend. Okay. So when is the leg-in? 4-9. VOLTAS already we analyzed during last week. We have already drawn the zones on that day. Wow. So on this candle, end of the day, on this candle, we have published the report. Have we got the entry? Yes, we got the entry, but we have to take a deep entry. So let's go to 75 minutes chart. 75 is equivalent to 1 hour, you can assume. So this is already, we have already taken an entry here last week, and it gave a very good profit until here. But we exited here. If you would have waited, you would have got even more profit. But anyway, always we are looking for our exit in within 1 or 2 days. Okay, can we rely on this? It's not advisable because already we took an entry here. So we go deep into the. So here, let me draw 125 minutes and 75 minutes demand zone. Okay. Have you got an entry here? Yes. But what happened? Stopped out. If we would have taken an entry on this candle, definitely it stopped out and we would have got the loss. Okay, fine. We have to accept losses sometimes. How much loss we would have got? Let us analyze this candle. What is the entry? Look here. When I place my mouse on this candle, just observe. What is the height of this candle? H 862.40. What is the low? 862.40 is the entry and 858.10 is the stop loss. So what is the entry? 862.40. 862.40 minus, what is the candle low? That is our stop loss. 858.10. 858.10. So we would have got 4 rupee 30 paisa loss on each share. What is the lot size of VOLTAS? And what is the cost of the lot? Let us look into Zerodha. Reset. Let's go to VOLTAS. 600 rupees. 600 is the lot size. And 92,000 would have been the cost of the lot. Into 600. We would have got 2,580 loss. Okay, fine. We have to accept it's a minimal loss. We got close to 27,000 something. We got profit in INDUSTOWER. So that's a good profit. And here 2,500 rupees, 580. That means close to nearly 2,500 rupees loss or 2,600 rupees loss. Still, we would have got, if we would have taken entry on both these stocks, INDUSTOWER as well as VOLTAS, still we would have got 25,000, somewhere 25,000, around 25,000 rupees profit we would have got. So, not bad. So, the point we need to understand, when we get the profit, we are getting good profits. When we get the loss, minimal loss we got. So second entry for INDUSTOWER worked very well because all the trends are uptrends here. Observe here why INDUSTOWER worked for second time. Because monthly trend is up, weekly trend is up, and also your daily L&TFH trend is daily, lower time frame. Intermediate time frame, ITF trend, I trend is also up, that is weekly. HTF trend, higher time frame trend, that is monthly, that is also uptrend. So trend is supported us. And moreover, it is a high liquidity zone. High liquidity zone supports multiple tests. Second time, sometimes even third, fourth also it supports. But this one, VOLTAS is failed. One reason could be our intermediate trend and higher time frame trend. They are sideways. They are not really bullish, but sometimes sideways market also, the price moves within the ranges. But anyway, we got a loss on this for our second entry. First entry we got the profit. Second entry we got the loss. But when it comes to INDUSTOWER, first entry as well as second entry, both we got the profits. Let us see how supply zones are, because this is, we analyzed stocks near to demand zone. We will also analyze stocks near to supply zones. Maybe they would have given more profit, because last week most of the time market is in red, the overall market. So how many high probability zones we have? C_SZ is a high liquidity zones. This is the highest priority. See, next R underscore SZ. That is the next highest priority. Then TCP underscore SZ is the next highest priority. But we have only three high liquidity zones. One is Dalmia Bharat, high liquidity zone, and L&T Finance is also high liquidity, and OBEROIRLTY is another high liquidity. Let us look into these three stocks. Remaining supply zones are normal supply zones. I'm not saying they doesn't work, they work, but when we are already having high liquidity zones, why should we go out of this? And one more thing, let us see the trend. This is uptrend, intermediate time frame, but this is sideways. But whatever it is, C underscore SZ, they are the very powerful zones. They supports, irrespective of the trend, most of the time they supports. They work well, at least minimum 2 or 3 test, they give positive results. Already it is having it is already tested twice, and third time we are looking for this. And what about L&T Finance? Oh, this is a fresh zone. Good. And what about OBEROIRLTY? It is already tested once. And L&T Finance, the thing is, monthly is sideways, only weekly is uptrend, again daily is sideways. OBEROIRLTY, uptrend, sideways. So actually both these are all TCP, they talks about counter trend trades. These are all high liquidity zones related to counter trend trading. Okay, first let us start with Dalmia Bharat. Let's go to trading view. Now we are looking for supply zones. Earlier we looked into demand zones. Now we are looking into high liquidity supply zones. Dalmia Bharat Limited, NSE. So we have to look for daily time frame. Okay. Supply zones. When is the leg-in? Dalmia Bharat leg-in 14/9/2021. 14/9/2021. So 1 base candle. So we have to go back to 2021. So somewhere here. 14/9/2021. Yes, this is the base. This is the leg out. Supply zone. This is the supply zone. Oh, this is the first entry. We missed it. Already I'm generating daily reports. In my daily reports, I'm showing you the stocks near. Probably on this candle 11 September, it might have shown you in the daily. Go to the September video, 11th video, and check for stocks near daily supply zones. So you would have got an entry here. On that day, if you would have taken this, the next day we got the entry. 11th report on daily reports I published in NeoStock's channel. Definitely this stock might have been listed. Let's check 11th September. Okay, anyway, you please verify yourself because we have less time. 11th September, we would have got an entry here. At least this much profit it has given. It's a good. Next day you would have got a very good. Again, second entry it has given on 14th September. If you missed 14th, 15th September also you would have got an entry. But when this report displayed on 18th, the end of the day, so we didn't get the entry. Stock didn't go it. So we were late. If you would have looked into the daily videos, you would have got first entry here, second entry here, third entry here on this candle. If you would have taken your first here, you would have exited somewhere here. Generally, counter trend trading, one of the rules, if it is a daily TCP, TCP is a counter trend related high liquidity zone. Your daily EMA is the target. So it reached the target, daily EMA. Anyway, if you are relying on 18th September report, you would not have got entry. You would not have got. But imagine if you would have followed my videos on 12th September, 11th September or 14th September, you would have got entry either on this candle or on this candle. So imagine you would have taken an entry. Just assume you would have taken an entry here. What is the value? It is 2,400. 2,400 minus when you might have exited at EMA, daily EMA 20. What is the value here? 2247. 2247. You would have got 153 rupees profit. Within how many trading days? May assume you would have taken an entry here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. If you would have taken an entry here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days you would have got. But anyway, it doesn't make much difference whether it is 5 candles or 7 candles. But you got a good profit, 153 rupees. Let us see what is the lot size and cost of the lot. Dalmia Bharat. 500 is the lot. 2,23,000, nearly 2,24,000 is the cost of one futures lot. How much profit you would have got? Into 500. You got 76,500 rupees profit within a week time or maximum 8 days time or 9 days time. If you would have taken entry here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. If you would have taken entry here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 candles within a week. It's a counter trend trade. It has given a very good profit. Oh, sorry, Dalmia is not counter trend. Dalmia is the high liquidity zone. High liquidity. C_SZ is this is the highest liquidity zone. Next to this is the ranking. I am giving a C. Whenever you see C_ ranking for high liquidity zones or high probability zones, my first ranking. My second ranking is S_ or R_, S_DZ or R_SZ. That is the second ranking. Third ranking is TCP_. TCP it is for counter trend related high liquidity zones. Okay, Dalmia Bharat, we would not have got entry as per 18th September 2023 report. We would not have got the entry. But if you would have looked into the earlier reports, definitely you would have got an entry in Dalmia Bharat. But anyway, let us leave. We missed it as per this video because at present we are focusing on performance of this particular video. Next, what is the next stock? Counter trend trade. And moreover, it is a fresh zone, 0 tests. Let me zoom. Number of tests are 0. So counter trend already changed the daily trend. So L&T Financial. Let us open the chart. L&T Finance. Okay. And when is the leg in? 6, 9 and 3 candle base candles. 6, 9, 2023. These are recently created. Yeah, 6, 9. These 3 candles. And these zones are very powerful zones. First entry it has given here. This is the first entry. Sorry, there is no first entry here. It's part of, because this move is part of this leg out itself. So we will not consider as an entry, but rejections we can consider this one, this candle. Okay. When we generated this report on this candle, have we got the entry on this candle on next day? Yes. Here we got the entry. What is the entry? Close of this candle. 128.95. Say 129 rupees. 129 is the entry. What could have been our target? We can keep our target here. Let me draw a line, because there is so much of order flow from here. See here, somewhere here, there is a lot of order flow. So lower time frame, if there is any demand zone at this location, we can select, because a lot of rejections from here. See, rejection 1, rejection 2, rejection 3, rejection 4. So we have a strong demand zone. So go to the lower time frame, 1 minute, check if there is any. Here we have a demand zone. 75 minutes demand zone. The actual order was started just above this. So we can keep our target either on this horizontal line as our normal support and resistance concepts. You have drawn a line because orders are starting. You can keep your target, or already just below this you have. If you want to follow purely supply and demand zone, this is the horizon actually. The entire move, the price is fallen, and the entire move has started from here. See, price reached and again it's moving up. So we can keep. And what is the height of? Look here, observe for this candle. What is the high? 122.95 minus 122.95, that is 123. $122.95, that is equivalent to 123. So we got 6 rupees profit. L&T Finance. So what is the lot size? What is the cost of the lot? Let us look into margin calculator. Reset. We have L&T Finance. 2,96,000, close to 3 lakhs is the lot, cost of the lot, almost 3 lakhs. So what is the net quantity? 8924 is the lot into 8924. Oh, we got 53,544 profit for an investment of 3 lakhs. In how many days? Let's go to daily time frame. We got entry on this candle on 20th, and 21st, next day it reached the target. Here is the entry and here is the target. Good. Within 2 trading days. First trading day is entry, second trading day it reached the target. So as per report generated on 18th September, DALBHARAT we missed the entry. L&T Finance we got 53,544 rupees profit. And what is the next one? This is the last one. OBEROIRLTY. When is the first? Let us open the chart. OBERO. Okay, this is the stock. OBEROIRLTY Limited. When is the supply zone? As per this report, OBEROIRLTY, this is a TCP, this is a counter trend trade supply zone. It is a pure counter trend because monthly is uptrend, weekly is uptrend, daily is sideways. And it is at equilibrium. 8/9/2023, one candle, one base candle. 8/9/2023 is the leg-in. So this is the leg-in. This one. Daily supply zone. Oh my God. So report is generated on 18th, but we got an entry on 18th as well as we missed the entry. After that it didn't go. Already it gave an entry. When on 15th itself it has given an entry. Actually, when this zone is created on 12th September, while creating the zone, it proved as a counter trend zone because the price went beyond this demand zone. Next day price closed, completely violated this demand zone. Then went. Here it gave an entry. We would have taken an entry here. And this EMA, exponential moving average, it would have been the target. This report is generated one day late. We would have generated one day before itself. Anyway, the daily, if you would have looked into the daily reports, you might have found this stock. Maybe it may not be near to the zone, but the complete 200 stocks reference list, you would have found this high liquidity zone. If we would have taken an entry here, what is the zone? Entry, zone low. This candle low is the entry. 1175. 1175. Anyway, we missed this entry as per our 18, but we are just, I am checking if one day before, if we would have looked into this, how much profit it would have given in 1, 2, 3, in 4 trading days. Sorry, 3 trading days. This is the entry, first day entry, second, third candle it reached. It reached the daily exponential moving average. For counter trend trades, EMA could be first target. I'm saying first target. Generally, counter trend trades, the price may go even below. It may reach up to this zone. But anyway, this is our first target. What is the value here? 1138. One 1175, 1138, 1138. So 37 rupees profit on each share. What is the lot size? Let us look into the lot size. Reset. OBEROIRLTY. 700. What is the cost of the lot? 1,59,000, 1,60,000. Our investment is less. 1,60,000 into 700. 25,900, close to 26,000 rupees profit. In how many trading days? If this would have been our entry, first, second, and third day, we would have got this profit. For 1,60,000 investment, close to 26,000 rupees would have been the return on the investment. Hope this video is useful to you. At least you might have understand the value of high liquidity zones. This is the second video we have published. Last week we published our first video to check the performance of our stocks high liquidity zones near demand and supply zones. But last video I analyzed only demand zones. This video I have analyzed both demand and supply zones. We have seen only one failure, that too for the second entry. That is VOLTAS. First entry we got success during last week. Second entry it failed. So we got around 2,500 rupees loss only for that particular stock. But remaining all, they have given good profits, like 25,000, 73,000, 28,000. Hope you will make use of the information I am providing on every day through my videos, and you will make use of that information for your analysis, and you will get maximum profits. I will be happy, we will be happy if NeoStock's demand and supply zones helps you in bringing good profits, especially the high liquidity zone concept we have introduced. So thank you all. Let us all meet again in my next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.